Guys, today we've got a lot to get through regarding Bitcoin and some of our favorite altcoins here on this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these insightful videos that I have for you, where I've done lots of research into the market so that you don't have to. Right, let's get straight into the video, starting with Bitcoin. We had this symmetrical triangle, which we said had a target of 83,000, 84,000 once we broke out of it. We did break out of it a couple of days ago, and it looked like just a fake out. We came back down to the 50% line of this ascending triangle, and we've broken back out again. So it's like we retested it basically. So we could be seeing a massive pump upwards now to that 83,000 mark over the next few weeks, especially with the halving coming up very shortly, which we'll be looking at in just a moment. Next coin, FetchAI. Not loads about this one today. We've got another. It seems to really like these broadening wedges. FetchAI broke out this one, came up to $3.50, came back down to retest it several times, and we're again in a broadening wedge here on the 4-hourly, touching down at 240 yesterday, looking to go back up to 283. So if we break out to about 290 with volume, then expect more of a breakout for FetchAI. Pepe is in this long-term bull flag, I would call this. It's upward sloping as well, this support line. We came back down to touch it yesterday at 5067. So the resistance is at 5092. So looking for a breakout of that if Bitcoin pumps, which it's due to very shortly. Pepe2 on the 4-hourly, we've been making higher lows over the course of time, which is bullish. And we've got this wedge down here as well with an upward sloping support line. So the breakout target for Pepe2 now, once we broke out of this, would be 7087. So quite a big pump there of about 40%. So look out for Pepe2. It has been known to have massive pumps, Pepe2, and one of the reasons, it's very speculative. I wouldn't put much capital into this, but Pepe2 is only a $27 million market cap, plus it's a meme coin with lots of community. Here's the logo for Pepe2. If Pepe pumps, then Pepe2 could pump massively as well. So something speculative if you're into that sort of thing. BabyGrok is another one, less than $6 million market cap, and it's at basic lows at the moment. I'll put it on here. It's down a lot. Okay, BabyGrok. But it's again like Pepe2, it's got lots of potential to pump. So maybe a speculative one. It's 6 million. Another meme coin. Here we go. It's a meme coin with some community following here. 137,000 followers. BabyGrok. $6 million market cap. Maybe worth some speculation. Anyway, let's look at Gala. For Gala we have this this symmetrical triangle as well, or this wedge, and we've got an upward sloping support line and with downward sloping resistance that we broke out of when Bitcoin broke out, and we're retesting again now. So if we break out of here, look for a massive upside for Gala up to about 99 cents. Sorry, that's Gala. The last one we're looking at right now is Solana, which I know a lot of people have been bullish on over the course of this bull market so far, for good reason. We're in a bit of a downward sloping trend here, with the target of $200 Solana. Okay, so if we break out of this wedge, which we're looking to at the moment, $200 Solana would be the target there. Okay, so look out for that in due course if you want to get into a long position there. So we did have CPI data yesterday. It was at 3.5%, which was above the estimates, hence why we had a bit of a breakdown in prices in the S&P and everything, but we've bounced back really strong. The more these interest rate cuts are being put off, the more chance we've got of people buying into the market in the hope that we're going to come down when they do drop. Okay, so I think it's going to keep pushing the markets up the longer we have to wait for the interest rate to come. Interest rates predictions have been put back many months now to like September. Just before the CPI data was released, it was June. Now it's September for the interest rate cut. We also had positive inflows for Bitcoin yesterday in the ETFs after 2 days of negative. had $123 million positive inflow to Bitcoin, hence why we're going up today. Grayscale, who have been dumping their Bitcoin, still have 318,000 Bitcoin or $22 billion worth, which works out on average they're selling about 200 million a day. So that works out about 100 days worth of selling for Grayscale until they're completely out, if they carried on in their average. So that's something to look out for. They'll stop selling at some point, and that will mean there'll be more buying pressure and less selling pressure in the market. This is brilliant news. We have this halving in 8 days, guys. Massive celebration time for the halving. Why is that such bullish news? Because there'll be less supply for the Bitcoin. There'll be less supply for Bitcoin on the market. It's going down to 3.125 Bitcoins mined per block. So if the demand stays the same and supply decreases by half, then the price should go up double. So look out for that in this space. But it doesn't happen straight away normally. If you see here, these are days after the halving. This is when it normally goes parabolic, about 180 days after the halving, sometimes 150 days after the halving. So that takes us to about July, August. But I think we could see something before that this year because of the left translated cycle we're seeing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will be back with another video very shortly. God bless you.